Hello everyone. Today I'll cover the Iterative SDLC model, a dynamic approach to software development. Instead of finishing everything in one pass, we deliver a working slice of the product in short cycles, learn from real feedback, and evolve the system to completion. The key idea is to ship a running increment every cycle and to replan deliberately for the next one. Concept first. An iterative model implements a subset of requirements quickly, validates it, then folds the findings into the next loop. The core benefits are front-loading risks and refining the design through learning. Two important characteristics. First, reusability. Architectures and components are improved and reused across cycles. Second, a strong RAD flavor. We favor fast build, inspect, adapt loops over heavy upfront design. The real point isn't just speed, it's risk control via short cadence. There are two major types, incremental and evolutionary. Incremental means delivering feature-oriented chunks in sequence, e.g., auth and browse first, then checkout, then settlement. We repeat analysis, design, build, test for each increment, keeping each chunk independently valuable. This enables parallel work and softens organizational change. In practice, define for each increment the release criteria, data migration scope, and rollback plan. Evolutionary starts with the core capability, then grows quality and scope over time. It works best when the core requirements are clear. Plan explicit versions and public release notes. For instance, version 1.0 with core transaction flow, version 1.1 with performance hardening, version 1.2 with third-party integrations. Each release must balance value and stability. A practical four-stage loop helps. Scope the iteration with value, done criteria, and risks on one page. Design and build with reusable interfaces and test first where possible. Verify not only functionality, but also performance trends and failure modes. Review and replan with stakeholder demos and a ruthless reprioritization for the next cycle. Operational guardrails matter. Make your definition of done explicit, unit coverage thresholds, code review, security checks, and ops logging. Track flow and quality metrics together, lead time, predictability, defect density, rollback rate. Prefer progressive delivery, blue/green, or gradual traffic shifting to avoid downtime. For schema changes, use expand, migrate, contract patterns. How to choose. When feature boundaries are clear and stakeholder buy-in needs gradual rollout, pick incremental. When you must stand up the core quickly and continuously harden performance, security, and UX, go evolutionary. In reality, hybridize, establish the core evolutionarily, then expand features incrementally. Pitfalls to avoid. Don't let long cycles regress into mini waterfalls. Include operability, monitoring, logs, alerts in every iteration. And institutionalize the feedback loop with fixed demos, retros, and backlog reshuffles. That ritual is what makes iteration real. To wrap up, the iterative model thrives on short cadence, working software, explicit criteria, and continuous learning. Use incremental to stack value while lowering change costs, and evolutionary to establish the core fast and grow it responsibly. Blend both to fit your context, and you'll ship better software sooner with fewer surprises.